Heartbreak is a pain like any other. It is an emotional pain so bottomless that it can feel like a physical blow. When you have a pain like this one, all you want is for the deep ache to go away. As much as I'd like to advise differently, there is no band-aid for a broken heart. Though it sounds cliché, time is the remedy needed for you to truly heal from such a deep, wrenching pain. In time, this pain will go away. Between now and then, however, following a few basic tips might be able to make the difference in how you are feeling. 1. Cry. You are going to feel like rubbish for the first few weeks. Depending how emotional of a person you are, you may feel like crying for days. Go ahead. A significant change has occurred in your life, a painful change. There is no way to expect that you will feel a little sadness and be able to shut it off like a switch. It's just not that simple. Allow yourself to grieve for your loss. But not too long. Staying in the past for too long can only hurt you. See rule number 4. 2. Talk to someone close. Use the shoulder of someone who cares about you to get out your feelings. This is a way to purify your soul by letting someone in to share your pain. Let them listen, comfort you, and offer advice. You don't necessarily have to take that advice, but sharing this comfort can make you feel better. Make sure you only allow yourself to grieve and lean on someone for a time because you need to move forward. 3. Distract yourself. Bring friends you care about back into your life. Maybe having the relationship was keeping you from spending time with your parents or siblings. Maybe you hadn't talked to your best friend in weeks. Surround yourself with this support network. Getting things that need to be done around the house done is a great way to get lost in a project. Go to the gym. Organize your closet. Get out and take a walk. Distracting yourself is a great stepping stone to moving on with your life. This brings us to rule number 4. 4. Look toward the future. Forget the past. Once you have allowed yourself the indulgence of grieving for a part of your life that is now past, look forward. There is a definite need to be able to start a new chapter in the book of your life. Now that you are past the sadness and anger, it is time for hope and renewal that will help you to move on. Take time out for yourself. Get to know yourself as a single individual instead of as part of a couple. Replenish your soul by becoming you again. Following these sometimes difficult but necessary steps, you can begin to heal the broken pieces of your heart. You can not only become whole again, you can become whatever you wish to become. This is a chance to start fresh, and once the pain starts to ease, you will see it as such an opportunity. Please like and subscribe. Check the link below to learn more about dating and relationships.